This is your last chance to enter the free Infrared 4 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 4 Infrared. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. And there's also a giveaway post over on my Instagram as well, so make sure you enter that as well. I'll be picking the winner in 2 videos from now, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. This is your last chance, last call for the free Infrared 4 giveaway. Good luck. Be sure to smash that like button because the next giveaway will be military black Air Jordan 4s, and you guys do not want to miss out on these free sneaker giveaways. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and join the Moore family. Sneaker market recession. It looks like we're in a recession right now in the sneaker market. Market has dropped, has crashed on a lot of sneakers. However, there's one sneaker that I still am going to invest into. I believe heavily in this Air Jordan. I believe this sneaker will definitely go up in price. You can buy them for around $200 now, and I still see them going up to around $300 even during these times. This video is sponsored by Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. This right here is the daily bag, and it holds 2 pairs of sneakers in it at the same time. Let me unzip the bag and show you guys how amazing Sole Premise bags really are. They actually have compartments to store your sneakers when you're traveling. Check that out. I got my Nike Dunks as well as a pair of Jordan 1 lows. I also have room for my laptop, clothes, anything I need inside this daily bag, and there's front compartments as well. They also make a bigger bag that holds 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers, duffel bags, luggage bags, all TSA approved. Sole Premise has the best sneaker bags in the game. Tons of colors, tons of different styles. You guys are gonna find a bag that you're gonna fall in love with my link down below in the description, and use my code Danny Moore. My name, Danny Moore, is gonna give you 40% off your entire order from SolePremise.com. The best sneaker bags in the game. Make sure you guys check them out, click that link, and go cop a fire, straight fire sneaker bag. I absolutely love my Sole Premise bags. They're amazing quality, and they store my sneakers. This is a perfect item being a sneakerhead. I love these bags. Make sure you guys check them out. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Now let's get back to this fire, straight fire video. If you guys want me to do a video talking about the sneaker market recession in full and what you guys can do while prices are low, let me know by smashing that thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Prices are low. We've seen a lot of sneakers really drop in price, which is kind of unexpected. However, with what's going on in the world, this whole recession, gas prices are up, inflation, there's tons of things going on around the world. The sneaker market is down. Stocks are down, crypto's down, everything is really down. With that being said, there's still one sneaker that I personally am still investing into, and I want to show you guys this sneaker and talk about why I'm still investing in this sneaker heavily during these crazy times during this sneaker market recession. This is just my opinion. All of these videos are just my opinion. I'm not a sneaker guru. I can't tell the future. This is just my opinion based on my experiences. I've been in the sneaker game since 2010. And this is based on what I believe. This is not factual. This is just my personal opinion. I want to make that very clear. I'm spending about $200 average per pair on this Air Jordan right now, and I do believe that within the next guaranteed year, in my opinion, these will easily hit $300. I'm actually banking and hoping that they hit that $280, $300 mark by the end of this year. If there are any sneakers that you guys are still investing into, I want you guys to drop a comment down below and let me know what sneaker that is. The sneaker market, crypto, stocks, everything has really dropped in price. However, there's still one sneaker that I am heavily investing into, and it's in this box right here. I am only investing into grade school sizes in these because they're a lot cheaper, and I think there's room for improvement, room for prices to really still go up. Retail was $160 plus tax, plus shipping. You're basically spending like $15, $10, $15 more than retail tax and shipping. And I think that's a great deal on the Air Jordan 4 military black in grade school sizes 5 through 7Y, really 5.5 through 7Y, but I'm also buying 5 as well. We've seen a handful, and I mean a good handful of Air Jordan 4s go up in price in grade school sizes from around $200, and now they're over $300. Take a look at the Red Thunder 4s, for example. Fire Red 4s, White Oreo 4s. A good amount of Jordan 4s lately have really gone up in price from $200 up to $300. And when you have a wearable, clean colorway just like this, white, black, little hits of gray, I definitely see these going up in price. It is the military blue Jordan 4, just with black instead of blue. Jordan Brand, give us the military blues with Nike Air on the back. Please, I'm begging you. But yes, I definitely am still investing into these, even during these crazy times, even when the market has dropped. I'm still buying military black Jordan 4s in grade school sizes. I believe in this sneaker. It's one of the few sneakers right now that I truly still believe will go up in price even during these crazy times. Now, that's not to say that other sneakers won't go up, because I do still believe a lot of sneakers will go up in price. However, I think this is a really good hold that I'm not going to be holding for quite too long at all to go up to make $80 to $100 per pair. I'd rather take that money and invest it into these than leave it in the bank. It's a better return on investment. Now, if they don't hit $300 this year, I still will be holding on to them until they do. I do believe it will happen this year, but who knows, with the current recession, it could happen maybe early next year. I'm all in when it comes to the Jordan 4 military black in grade school sizes. I definitely see them going up, even during this sneaker market recession. I do think prices being low is temporary. I don't think it'll last too long. We'll see what happens when it comes to the sneaker market recession. I just wanted to show you guys that, hey, I'm still out here holding certain pairs of sneakers. Not everything, not a lot, just a few, very select few pairs, and the military black Air Jordan 4 in grade school sizes is on the top of my list right now. I've been a lot more selective on what I've been holding and what I've been telling you guys to hold, what to sell. I think right now, this is still a very good hold, and I think they're just gonna go up to that $300 mark because it's such a wearable, clean Air Jordan 4. Jordan 4s are still very hyped. They've honestly surpassed the Jordan 1 hype in my opinion at this point, and I see the price just going up even during these crazy times. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 4 military black in grade school sizes. Do you think it's a good hold? Do you think, hey Danny, you're crazy, why are you holding anything during this recession? Or do you agree with me? Do you think, hey Danny, you're right, even during the recession, these are still gonna go up in price? I do think certain shoes will still go up in price even during this crazy time. Smash that like button. Military black Air Jordan 4 giveaway is next after the Infrared 4 giveaway, and this is your last and final chance to enter the Infrared 4 giveaway. Like this video, subscribe, and comment your size down below. Even though we're in a sneaker market recession right now, please guys, do not panic, and let me know down below in the comments if you guys want me to do a full video talking about the recession and my thoughts, my opinions on what you guys can still do even during these crazy times. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.